Hey everybody, Josh, starteringutterbusiness.com. Sitting on our new van. We got a couple clips of this thing that we're doing a build out on it, so make sure you guys watch those. It'll be fun to see this thing come together. Today we're going to do kind of a Q&A with your guys' questions and comments, and I'm going to kind of go through them and hopefully answer some of your guys' questions in person here. So. First one, we have Jared. He said, where do you buy your downspouts, hangers, guards, and supplies from? And we actually just shot a video on this, so if you want to check out that video, we'll put a link for that in the description. With the way materials are right now, we use probably six or seven different suppliers, bouncing around trying to just get everything we need to get jobs done. So kind of a nightmare right now, not what it used to be, a couple years ago, but we're getting her done. Our number one supplier who we get stuff from right now is probably ABC. So they've been stocking everything, or most stuff, and keeping us going. So, all right, next question. Rodrigo says, "Hey, nice you have a one wheel. It'd be nice to go float sometime, bro." Great videos. Thank you guys so much for helping a lot. Appreciate the comment. That's what we're here for, trying to help educate you guys on how all this stuff works. I learned everything the hard way, and we didn't have YouTube back when I started this, so it's nice to be able to, share all my, I've been doing this for 20 years now, so share what I've learned over the past, help you guys make less mistakes and get, making money quicker and providing value to your guys' communities. So, appreciate the comment. Carolyn, what did you use to stop leaks? I don't know exactly what that's referring to, but we have a couple of videos on Z flashing or flashing that goes transitional flashing between the drip edge and the gutter. That's one way to stop leaks. And then if you're just talking about like sealing a seam or something, we have a video on that too. We'll put it in the link below. Clean everything out really good. Geocell sealant. We use a Geocell aluminum gray 2320. All right, next one. We just have a Google user. I was wondering about hanging gutters in cold weather. What's the coldest you can hang a gutter, and if it helps having thicker coil and hanger spacing? Okay, cold weather. So we're in here in Montana. I've hung stuff at 5 to 10 below. I wouldn't recommend it. The bigger you go in gutter, as far as sizing goes, 5, 6, and 7 inch. 5 inch is the most resilient to the temperature changes. It's just a smaller, less flat surfaces on a smaller gutter. So you will still get oil canning, and then another thing to keep in mind is color. Black and like dark bronze coil will expand more when it's hot out because the sun's beating on them, and that darker paint is attracting heat, so they get even warmer than, say, a white or like a cameo or linen color. So the darker colors, I try to avoid hanging anything too long when it's cold out. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do, and know that at some point, if they're not working properly, you might have to go loosen your screws. It won't ruin the gutter most times. Loosen your screws up and just re-tack it off is kind of the worst case scenario. If you're talking something really long, like 60 to 100 feet, you're gonna run into issues when it's that cold, so no matter what color you're using. So I try to keep it less than 30 foot when it's that cold out, and try to, in my mind, you gotta keep going, keep making money, As far as hanger spacing goes, we offer something called the puller package. We put hangers every 1 foot and use 2-inch screws with rubber washers, just kind of help it hold up a little better. We charge a little bit extra for it. It's a good deal for us and the customer. It works really well. The extra hangers are cheap and easy to throw in, and then the better screws are, just a little bit more extra costs. So usually charge a little over $1 a foot for something like that. Next, Andrew, any advice on how to load full coils without a forklift? That's one reason I don't use spools on our machines, is because they're just a pain in the butt to get up there. Most spools have a slot in them where you can slide a board through and lift that board on with a couple guys, but it is not an easy task. So I know I've seen some guys with little cranes or things like that. I try to avoid full coils at all costs if you don't have a forklift. They're heavy. We normally just use spin outs. So your supplier, uses a spin out for each job. So you call in an order, Say the job needs 120 feet, I order 10 feet extra, so I'll order a 130-foot coil just straight from the supplier. And it's just easier on everybody's, you're not breaking anybody's backs. So, which I have had an employee that had that happen, so not a fun situation. Next we have Dale. Hey, I found your channel, instantly subscribed, love the content. 22, started a roofing business last June, and I wanted to add continuous gutters to what we have to offer. You've helped me a lot so far. That's what we're here for, man. Appreciate you watching. Next is Greg. Josh, snow is sliding down the metal roof, hitting the gutter. Is that a concern in your area? Seems like the high end of this gutter would catch sliding roof snow and possibly get pulled loose or bent. So what we do in that situation, we recommend snow stop. We actually void our warranty if somebody wants us to put gutters on a metal roof without snow stop. So we'll just tell them, we'll do it, but you don't get a warranty with these gutters. Let them be aware of the situation, and you need snow stop. So snow stop is there to just keep that snow on the roof. Snow melts, goes into the gutter. It's kind of part of the whole system. So add snow stop. It's another product you can sell. All right, that's all we have for today. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate you watching.